next thing in our vocal chain is going to be only necessary if you need it. And with our vocal right now, we do not need it, but I'm going to show you it so that you can know how to use it in your vocals too. And it's an exciter. I use the Waves Aphex Vintage Exciter, as you see right here. And basically what this is going to do, let's choose a little preset. I'm going to choose the male up close. Basically what this is going to do is it's going to add frequencies to the high range that aren't necessarily there. It's going to enhance them so that they pop through your mix more, but also make it crispier and cleaner. Our vocalist is pretty bright right now in this vocal track, and so we don't necessarily need to increase anything or have the brightness be more, at least not now. We could always come back later in the mix and make it brighter if we wanted to, but right now we do not need to do that. And so I'm just going to show you what it would sound like so you can kind of hear the difference. I love this Aphex Vintage Exciter. It's the best one I use for vocals. I've used many.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
That was with nothing. I'll put it on 5 so you can hear what it does.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
It almost kind of like lo-fi's the sound a little bit and makes it sound crispier so that it kind of just punches through. If I turn it all the way up,
I don't usually go out
that's like the max effect. You would never want it to be there, but if like you had it like around 4,
I don't usually go out this late at night.
that was with it.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
That was without it. So you can hear a difference, a little difference.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
I'm actually going to leave it
I
on
don't usually go out this late at night.
for this one.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
After listening back to back, I like it around the 3.5 range. That's enhancing the harmonic frequencies in the high range so that it punches through more, sounds cleaner, and just sounds smoother.